Hello everyone, welcome to the certification course in Hypermesh. In this tutorial, we are going to see Introduction to Hypermesh, Graphical User Interface, that is GUI of Hypermesh, functions of few mouse buttons, tabs and menu. Graphical User Interface. So Hypermesh GUI, as we have seen in our last tutorial, it looks like this. Again, the conventional menus: title bar, file, edit, view, collectors, geometry. Okay, the toolbars will be on top, on the left hand side and on the bottom line. Okay, this region is called the main menu. Main menu pages are there: 1D, 2D, 3D, command window. Okay, this is known as the tab area. Here we import the model, components, parts, properties, etc. And this, the gray area, is known as the graphics area. Okay, so we'll see this complete structure in our Hypermesh. Also, I will tell you about the mouse buttons. Okay, so I will go to start menu. I have Hypermesh 2019 installed. I will start Hypermesh 2019. So here we are. At the starting itself, it will ask for user profile, which user profile you are going to model or mesh. So either it can be your radios. This totally depends upon the analysis, radios analysis, OptiStruct, okay, Abacus, okay, LS-DYNA. Generally for LS-DYNA, we work on LS-DYNA, so we'll use LS-DYNA profile. Okay, it depends on problems. You can use radios profile, OptiStruct profile. Okay, this is the options, this are the profiles we can work on. Okay, so for now, time being, I will use LS-DYNA profile. I will put OK. So this is what it was told in the presentation. Okay, this complete bar is title bar. These are toolbars. Okay, the file menu will have new, open, save, save as. Okay, new, open, save. Here few import options are there, like import. What we will do, import. I will click on this option. Okay, so either we can import one complete model, so okay, we can import solver deck, we can import CAD geometry. So we'll import CAD. I will show you how to import CAD. Okay, file type, it will auto detect the file type. Okay, so I will tell you how manually you can select CATIA files. You can take whatever we will model in 3D modeling, CATIA V6 and all. IGES Creo file. Okay, DXF files we can take, we can import. JT files we can import. Okay, NX files we can import. Okay, SolidWorks step files and etc. So always keep here option as auto detect. So auto detect I will keep option, and I will open this. Okay, I will take one file. I'm having this PHM3 IGS. I will copy this and I will open this folder. Okay, and give the same file path wherever that is situated, that file is located. Okay, hierarchy as parts. Okay, target units here as per CAD units or MKS units, so always keep as CAD units, whatever the units we are you are using for CAD. Okay, so that you can import. So this is our component. So what I'm doing, see, when I press the control key, continuous press the control key and left mouse button, I am able to rotate the component. Okay, similarly control key long press and scroll, I am able to zoom in and zoom out. Similarly control long press plus the right button, I am able to pan, I am able to move. Okay, so these are the usage of mouse button. In all three cases you have to use control button continuously, control button. Okay, so again coming to tabs and menu. So this was all about import. Again after the meshing we have the option as export. Again we can export it as the same, whatever import options were there we can export it as it is. Okay, export solver deck, the mesh, whatever the mesh will be there we can export it. Okay, we can export the JT file as well, this complete CAD. Okay, we can export with surface or solids. Okay, mesh won't be exported in this option. Okay, and both for mesh and solid you can export with this export model. Okay, okay, then this option, this you can see a human face. This is nothing but the very starting option. I told you, the profile. We can change profile from here. Okay, so these are some of the few of the basic options. Okay, again this XY plane, I can view my component in XY plane, YX plane, ZX plane. Okay, isometric view. So these are the basic views. Undo and redo are there, pan, rotate, zoom options, whatever we performed with mouse, zoom in, zoom out. So these are the those options. Okay, these are vertical toolbars. Okay, this we'll see one by one when we'll proceed to FE meshing. This we will see one by one. Okay, besides this, these are again toolbars. The first option is of assembly. By using this we can create one assembly. Okay, suppose I am creating one assembly, any name random ABC, and suppose I am moving this component into that assembly, create. So the assembly will be created having this as component. We can select multiple components and create one single assembly. Similarly, we can create component. This second option will create one component, any one component. Properties we can create. Okay, material we can create here, material we can create here, properties we can create. So one by one we'll see card edit, okay, delete options, and this auto, by part, topo, we'll see one by one as we'll proceed. This mesh wireframe, mesh solid, okay, surface wireframe, surface solid, this shaded, we'll see one by one. See, wireframe, surface. Okay, so as we'll proceed you will come to know these options. Okay, this is main menu pages and main menu. This 1D, 2D, 3D, analysis, tools, same options and same things are in this title bar. Okay, suppose mesh, create, line mesh, 2D mesh, auto mesh, mid surface mesh. We'll see one by one how to create mesh, translate, how to translate nodes, components, parts, rotate, scale. These all operations we'll see when we'll proceed with the meshing part. Okay, so this is title bar. Okay, these are toolbars. Okay, and this is our graphical user interface. Also, this is the tab area where we can see our assembly, components, materials, parts, properties, everything. It will be like tree. This is known as tab area. Okay, so this is it. This was about the graphical user interface of HM. Also, we have seen the functions of mouse button. I will just quickly brush up that. Okay, so control long press and left mouse button. Okay, left mouse button, it will be rotate option, scroll key, zoom in, zoom out, and right one, it will be pan. Okay, so thanks for watching this tutorial. We will meet in the next tutorial. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to the certification course in Hypermesh. In this tutorial we are going to see basics of Hypermesh. In the last tutorial we have seen how the graphical user interface of Hypermesh will look like. These are the menus, menu bars, and this is title bar, these are toolbars, etc, etc. We have seen in the last lecture. Okay, so in this tutorial we'll open, import, export, masking and unmasking also we'll see in this tutorial. Okay, so for that I will open some file. Okay, below the file drop down menu. Okay, before that this is HM 2019 OptiStruct. This user profile I have set to OptiStruct. At the time of opening the HM it will ask for user profiles, or else you can set the user profiles from this icon. This you can see the human face. Okay, user profile I have set to OptiStruct. Okay, so I will open one model, open. Okay, before that I will see the file path where I have kept that model, supporting file. I will copy this file path, Control C. Again I will go to open. Okay, So suppose this I am opening. Okay, so this is HM file which was saved, which is having CAD also and FE also with it. FE means this elements. Okay, so again I will try to import one model. Okay, so this was opening, import the model, import solver deck. I will click on import solver deck. Okay, I will import model, this very first icon, model. Okay, here some by default or our previous file would be open, so you just click on this cross icon. This will remove this file path, otherwise the old one also be imported. Okay, so click on this first icon, folder, select files. Okay, another file I will open. Okay, rest of the options you can keep as it is and import. Okay, see, model, importing model means it will also import, same as open, it will also import the CAD and the FE along with it. Okay, again we'll try to import some geometry CAD. Okay, again the same option, import solver deck. I'm clicking the third option. The second option is used for FE. Okay, we'll see that also. The third option, import geometry. Okay, again something is open here already that I have used previously the path, so I want to delete that. Press cross, open this file, I will take and import. So this is nothing but IGS file or JT file or any step file. You can auto detect, keep the option here, auto detect. Okay, CATIA file, any geometry can be imported in SolidWorks in Hypermesh. Okay, any geometry. So keep here auto detect, it will automatically detect the version of the CAD. Okay, so this is one part. Again I want to import FE for this. I have that FE. Okay, modeling 2D mesh, we'll see it in the preceding upcoming lectures. Okay, so the second option I will use here, this again, import solver deck. Second option, OptiStruct is the file type I want to use. Open, I have one file, OptiStruct, open. Okay, import all, keep all the options as it is and import. The import option you won't be able to see here because it is went down. Import, see, close the pop-up window and see, you are having complete FE and your CAD. Okay guys, we have seen mouse controls, use of mouse control in our last tutorial. I will tell you again, press control key, long press control key and the left key of your mouse button, it will rotate. Here one small box you will can see the rotating box square. Okay, about that your complete geometry and FE will rotate. That box you can shift anywhere. Suppose double click anywhere. Okay, on the geometry, see, I can rotate about this, I can rotate about this also. See, double click, that small box will appear and you can just rotate about that point. Okay, using the left mouse key. And what was the use of scroll key? To zoom in and zoom out. Control you have to press in either of the cases. Okay, again the rightmost key of the mouse, it will help to pan your geometry. See, pan, I can move in the same plane. Okay, so these were the mouse controls. Okay, so yeah, alright then, now we'll create one temporary folder wherever you want to create your practice session, to save your practice session. So on desktop I am creating hypermesh underscore practice, one folder I have created. Okay, in that I will save my work, day 3. Okay, so export, I just want to export this complete FE, I don't want CAD. So what I will do, the second option, first option it will export the complete model. Okay, so okay, we'll see one by one. The second option, export only FE, only solver deck. I want OptiStruct. Okay, standard format. Okay, again wherever you want you can give your file name. Here I want to be saved my work. Okay, suppose I am giving practice.fem, export. Okay, so it is exported. Finished means it is exported. You can just go to that folder and you can see that .fem file. You can again import as stored by for import procedure. Okay, import the same fe. Okay, again export. Okay, you can export either IGS file. Okay, JT file or IGS. I want IGS file. This complete CAD will be exported. Okay, CAD will be exported, not the FE. Okay, source units, MKS. I want to keep CGS. You can keep, or MKS generally what we follow. Okay, target source units. Let it be in millimeters. Okay, and again the same file path. I will put the name as CAD, save and export. So see, saved. Only the CAD will be exported. Same, you can import it again the IGS format. Okay. Again, if I want both FE and CAD to be exported at the same time, I want to click on this export solver deck and the first option, model, export model. Okay. FE only, geometry only, and FE and geometry I want same. I will give CAD plus FE save. Okay, export. Okay, so in this way, or simple way, we can save as our complete session. Okay, this save option is there. The third one, save model, below the file menu, or file, save as. Okay, I can save my file. On desktop I am having my folder as HM practice J3, this bumper underscore 123, whatever file name you want to give, you can save your file. Okay, this is just HM. The file will be saved in HM, and again you have to open this using the open option, second option, or file open. Okay, so this was one part. Okay, suppose now we'll see mask option. Mask. Okay, so our mask option will be in tool, this tool menu. Here you can see menu bar, the menus, geometry, 1D, 2D, 2D, 3D, analysis and tool. Here mask option will be there, mask. Okay, F1 to F12 are the shortcut keys. Shortcut for this is F5. We'll study shortcut keys in detail. Okay, so suppose in my CAD I want to see what is behind this. Okay, I will hide these elements, means mask these elements. Number of elements I can mask. I can see behind what is it, whether any complicated geometry or any failing elements. Okay, by clicking on mask. Okay, and unmask all, what it will do, it will bring back the elements to its original position. Okay, if I want to hide this complete green part, what I will do, elements by collector. This on the screen itself I will click on this green collector, so that green collector is mid 2. Okay, select and mask. That complete collector will be masked. Collector means the component which will hold both component and properties. So these are all collectors. Okay, which will hold both component and properties. Again, unmask all. Okay, we can unmask this. Okay, again suppose I want to see only these 4 elements mask, and if I put reverse, so what it will do, it will reverse only these 4 elements which were masked. Okay, again if I put reverse, it will reverse all the elements which were present, which were unmasked. Okay, again click on unmask all. So guys, you have to practice with this option. Just play whatever you want to play, just play with these options. You can hide any elements, means mask any elements. Okay, you can unmask it. Okay, these many elements, mask, reverse, reverse, reverse all. Okay, just play with your elements. Okay, F5 is the shortcut, just note it down, F5 for masking. Okay, so guys, this was the basic of Hypermesh. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial. We will meet in the next tutorial. Thank you.